Hello and welcome to my channel. I am BeardedDev. This is SQL Sunday Quiz. We're up to week 8 now, and the question this week is going to be all about set operators. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the video, please do hit that thumbs up button, and if you are interested in business intelligence, data analysis or SQL programming, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos on there. There is a lot of great content. So first of all, we're going to go through last week's question. So I went through an example in SQL where I had an identity column and there were 5 rows of data. I deleted row ID 4 and asked what value will be inserted into the identity column when I insert a new row into the table. And the answer to that question was, of course, 6. So we wasn't resetting the identity. So although 4 had been previously used and we deleted that, our counter is effectively up to 6. So that would be the value of the next row we inserted. So we're going to move on to this week's question. You can also now support me on Patreon, so I'll provide the link in the description should you wish to do so. So this week's question, so we've got some examples of some SQL scripts here. So there are 2 tables in the database, customers old and customers new. Both tables have exactly the same structure, and what we want to identify is the customer IDs that exist in both tables. So I've written out some statements here, and what you need to do is put the correct statement in the comments below. So we're doing the same select from both tables, we're just looking at customer ID. So should we be looking at using union all, except, union or intercept? And like I say, put your answers in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. If you would like to see your questions asked on the channel, then do feel free to send me an email to askbeardeddev@gmail.com. Thanks a lot for watching.